Hello everybody, welcome to an all new and brand new episode on Fusion 360. And in this episode of our Fusion 360 Go-Kart modeling, we'll be designing the steering control for our Go-Kart. And I wanted to also do some combining and a little bit of tweaks here and there, fixing a few issues on the Go-Kart. So we're basically going to start off by, as usual, creating a sketch. And I think I actually did create a sketch already. So I'm gonna go in here and go to this timeline right here, and I'll just edit the sketch. So under here, I'm gonna be making the floor panel for our go-kart, so we can close off this section. So I'm gonna start off by extruding, and I have to select profile and come on, there you go, and select all this part. I think that's it, and I'm gonna extrude this about a 1/4 inch. I'm not gonna join. I'm gonna create a new body out of it and make it about a 1/4 of an inch, 0.25, and we'll hit enter. And there you go, we have our floor panel for our go-kart. Next thing I want to be doing is designing another floor panel for our go-kart, and that will also come up here. Hopefully it doesn't interfere. Yeah, it's not. So I'm gonna go up here, create sketch, hover around here, and I should be able to select this interior piece. And I'm just gonna create sketch, rectangle, 2-point rectangle, and I'm gonna select this interior, pull this all the way into, let's see, let me go around here a little bit. Let's see, I want to point this just about here. That should be great. And just gonna go out to solid, extrude, select this part. Actually want to select this part, deselect this part. Then I'm just gonna extrude this body. Gonna give it a 1/4 inch. Oop, wrong one, wrong. Let's just go back and dear me, edit feature 0.25. That's a new body, by the way. So just check this, see if everything checks out. Yep, everything checks out. So we're just gonna click OK. Now we have ourselves a floor panel for our go-kart. That's good. The next thing we're gonna be doing is creating our steering rack or control. And what I'm gonna be doing is creating a pin that goes into this hole and that gets bolted down, and this pin is just gonna go up into a control box that's just gonna control our wheels. So I'm gonna start off by creating sketch, hitting this side, select circle, just gonna go up here, and I'm going to start off by putting this circle up here. Let's make it about 0. Let's try this side. Yeah. And another one, which is gonna go in about here. Hit escape. First thing I'm gonna be doing is extruding. Where's the extrude? Extrude this. Extrude command. Pull this in. I'm gonna pull this pin in here. Just give it about an inch and a 10. New body. Hit OK. We're just gonna go back. Edit feature again. Edit feature. Select this part. Move this and here. Oh, cancel. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go up here and scroll down here, and there you go. That way I'm not gonna go and select this side. So we're just gonna select extrude, select this profile and that profile. I'm just gonna extrude it. And that is how I plan on making our but before that I want to fix, you know what, let's just do it. It's fine, forget it. Let's move this up here about 20.20, sorry. Then I'm gonna, let's just give it 0.25. New body. Hit OK. Then I'm gonna combine this, and this body together. Actually, before I do that, let's just go up here and press pull this in. Nope, not press pull. I'm gonna leave that there like that. Then I'm gonna go on to here, create, go on to thread, like this side. I'm gonna create a thread and model. Hit OK. And that should be great. The next thing we're gonna be doing is creating the bolt. Let me combine this thread with this body. Now this is a one body now. I want to create sketch. Select this side. Look for our bolt. Select this side. Just gonna create a polygon. Just gonna get a center polygon out here. I need to find the center point of this whole thing. Let me just turn off this body. Let's get this thing in here. Let's extrude. Turn on back the body. I'm just gonna give it 0.07. Hit OK. And extrude. And I'm just gonna pull this up here. That's gonna be the bolt. Actually, I want to go back. Let's just go back. Turn off this body. And I want to delete this. Let me just delete this part. Delete. Go on to the center circle. And let's see how much escape. Let me hit escape. Let me see how much this is. This is 0.4. So just gonna select this and go on to 0.4. Yep, that should match up. Turn the bodies back on. And then we're just gonna select our extrude command. Just bring it down. And this is our nuts. So click new body and hit OK. And I'm gonna go in here. Actually, I'm gonna go into the bodies. I'm gonna go down here and this one, and just turn this off. Go on to thread, select the interior, thread it up, hit OK. Then we should be perfect. Next thing we're gonna be doing is gonna create sketch, and on top of this, there you go, right here, where is it? Top right here. I'm gonna select the line, and pull this line from the top. Hit escape. Let me just go out here, select this side. I'm gonna pull this line in the middle. Escape. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the line from the middle and join it out here and hit escape. And let me check, see if everything is good over there. Yeah, everything's great. Just gonna go into solid, extrude, select this, join. Actually gonna create new body. Deselect this. Go all the way down here. This is good. Then I'm gonna click OK. Go to here, select this pen, and then you have yourself a new pinned body right there. Now that looks really tight in the space over there, but I think there's enough clearance over there. Yeah. I'll take it. So what I'm gonna do is, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a box, and this box is where it's gonna house our gears that control the steering of our wheel. That's the little gearbox that does all that work. Just gonna create sketch again, Select this plane. Then I'm going to go out here. Rectangle. Center rectangle. Select this center rectangle. Then we're just gonna go up here like that. Yeah, I think I'm hovering, but it's fine. Yeah. Next thing we're gonna do is create sketch. Go to solid and just select this side, two sides. Just gonna pull this side. This side should be a join. And I hope I'm not joining. This side 1, side 2 operation is joined. This should be a new body. And this is where our steering mechanisms are gonna go. I'm gonna hit OK. And that creates a new body for us. And let me check it from this side. Okay, that works. Gonna press pull. Fix a few issues here. Press pull on this side. No. Cancel. Press pull from here. Just gonna press pull. Hit OK. Then I'm gonna chamfer. Hit OK. Do more press pulls right here. Okay. Tiny bit right here we should do. That's our steering control box. And this is where our steering column is gonna go, right straight up here. Just gonna shell this thing up about, let's give it a 20 in thickness. I'm gonna, after doing this, next thing is go on to the mirror command. Select this and this. Select our mirror plane, and there we go. We have our steering column, new body. I could just join this. I'm gonna keep it new body. That's new body. I'll join it later. Let's see. Combine. So this and this combined. And there you have it. That's our little steering column with our, yeah. Next thing we're going to be drawing is our steering column. And for the steering column, I'm just going to create sketch again. Select this side. Select line. And select the midpoint of this. Turn this line, let me turn this line into a construction line. Oh, turn it back off. Hit escape. Select line. Go into the midpoint. Select this plane. And do I have sketches off? Let's see. Okay, sketches aren't off. So from this point, I am going to draw our steering column. I need to place it about, let's see, 60 degrees. Let's try 45. 50. This is 45. I think that's too tall. Let's just bring it down a little bit. 50. We'll do 50 degrees. We'll do. Let's go to 50 degrees. 50. 55. Let's see. Let's try 60. So that should be 58. Let's see, 57. I think 57 is a sweet spot right there. Tab 13. 12.5. Let's try 12.5. 12.5 should do. Oops. 12.5. That should be okay. Next thing we're gonna do is go into create circle. And we're just gonna give it an inch. Go on to pipe, solid, and go on to pipe. Select a pipe. It's too big, so let's just, section size should be about, let's try an inch. New body. Circular. Okay, hit OK. Next thing we're gonna do is edit sketch. And pull this at 1.5. Finish sketch. Then I will, let's see. God, this is so hard to see from here now. Press extrude. Go inside. This is, nope. This is, yeah, this is the new body. Just combine this and this. And hit OK. Then I'm gonna click extrude, poke out this way, give it a taper. $40. New body. And from the taper, I'm gonna click fillet. And I should create our steering column. That's perfect. The next thing that's going to be done is creating our steering wheel, and that will also come right here. Let me see what let's see. I want to go with like an F1 style, like a Formula 1 style racing wheel. So let's see. I'm just gonna go into create sketch. Then go to circle. So circle. Let's put this at 1.5. Oh, that's 1.7. 1.7 should do. Then just gonna extrude. Put it at, let's see, 0.7. This is also a new body. Next thing I'm going to be doing up here is creating sketch. Again, go to rectangle, center rectangle. So like this. And I think about, let's see, how big do I want this to be? Let's see, tab 4, tab 8.8. Hit OK. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna be doing is create sketch. Go into use this construction line right here. Then I'm gonna go on to rectangle, center point, turn this off. Then I'm gonna create the handle for our wheel. Should be about, let's see. Okay. That's not gonna work. I'm going back. I'm going to create a normal steering wheel. I'm gonna create a normal steering wheel this time around. I don't like the racing style. It's not gonna work. Create sketch. Create a sketch from here. Then I'm going to undo. Let's just undo this. Go on here. Edit sketch. 2 inches. Finish sketch. Create line. This line. Construction. Select the center point. And I want to give it about the side. I select the side. 2 inches. Turn off this, and our steering wheel is gonna go out here. So let's put it at, let's see, 5 inches in diameter should do. No. Let's try 7 inches. I'm trying so hard to make things drawn to scale, but this is not everything in here. I keep telling everything in here, it's not drawn to scale. It's not. If you were to try to make this according to the specifications over here in real life, it's not gonna work. So we're just gonna put this at 7 inches right here. Hit OK. Also, I think this side, we'll work on that later. Next thing I'm going to do is going to offset. Select this. Okay, that's not working. Offset. I guess that doesn't work. So we're just gonna go into the middle, create a set, create this. Gonna put about 5.5. Then extrude. About an inch again. Once again, 0.7. 0.7 is always a sweet spot for me, in between 1 and yeah. So the next thing is going to create our sketch again, and I'm going to create the points at which the steering wheel connects to the little metal bars. I forgot the name. Oh, you should know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So I'm gonna go up here, create sketch from here. Then I'm gonna select line. Our line is gonna come up here. Before anything, let's just go back here. Edit the sketch. I find this too big. Put this at 6. And this should be 4.5. Finish sketch. Perfect. That's a little bit better. And create sketch again. Go here. Select that line. Just gonna select this outside. Select this side. I want to make sure if I can clip from here. Let's see. Hit escape. I hope I made contact. Nope, I didn't make contact. Undo. Go on to the bottom side. Let's try the bottom side. This here. Turn off this body. I'm gonna select this side. And here comes the tricky part. It's always so tricky to do this. Hopefully I make a connection. I think I did. That's perfect. They match us up. Next thing we're gonna do is go on here, circle a pattern, select this, select our center point, and there you go. Everything should work out now. Hit OK. Then I'm gonna go up here, go on to pipe, select this. Let's see if I can multiple select this one. Okay, that's not working either. So let's see. I'm gonna go on with a triangular look with a section size of 0.5. New body. Yep, that will do. Put that here. Oh shoot, 0.5 again. New body, hit OK. Same thing. That's just gonna happen right here. Yeah, that's the same thing we're gonna do right here. So we're just gonna go up here, go on with the pipe again, select this, and select this should be it, 0.5. Hit OK. Oh no, no. That's terrible. Redo. Let's just add a feature. Create new body. Turn off the hollow. Click OK. Now I want to, let's see, here's what I want to do. I want to take this part and rotate it. Let's take this piece right here. Give it a nice rotation. Oh, cancel. Rotate. I need to rotate on the axis. Rotate, 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 rotate. This is a 90. It's a 270. and hit OK. And that should be perfect for me. Next thing, again, one more. Just click this. Then I'm just gonna select our pipe tool. Turn off hollow. Turn off cut. Click OK. Okay, next thing to do is rotate this again. I'm going to select this, select the midpoint, right there. Give it a rotate, about 270. Let's bring this up a little bit. Hit OK. Yeah, I like this. This is good. So we're just gonna finish this part. So what I'm gonna do next is extrude these things in there and do some fillets and round these edges up, and everything should be perfect. I'm gonna continue keeping these bodies as separate bodies. So yeah, just gonna break this up a little bit. 5 should go there. Extrude. Cancel. Let's go in with the press pull or extrude. Let's try extrude. This one. Okay, we can only do it once, I guess. Or can we? Let's try it. Extrude. Select. Shift. Okay, so it doesn't work. I guess one, extruding it. That's good. 50. Extrude it at a 50. Guess this closes in at the 40, so just click OK. I love this. I love this. This steering wheel looks good. One more extrusion. We'll be doing the same thing over here. Press pull. $40. Let's try and see if I can do this multiple faces with this. Also, so press pull works, but extrude doesn't work. Just gonna push this all in, and here, tuck it up, tuck it all in here. Just tuck it all in here. You know what? I'll leave this. I want to leave this. I want to leave it, and the reason why I'm leaving this is because I want to round this off before I try to extrude anything. I don't want any weird things sticking out. Just gonna press pull. Just like this. Like the interior. This is new body. Oh, this is join. Sorry, join. Undo. Let's see. I want to bring this down a little bit. Edit sketch. Seems to be too. Let's bring this down a little bit. This seems to be too close. 11. Finish sketch. Ooh. And that doesn't work. Let's just go back and undo it. Let's give it a turn it to 12 and let's see, finish sketch. Let's see what happens when I turn it to a 12. Yeah, undo. Let's see. Undo. Let's finish sketch. Turn off this little body. Let's keep it for now. So the next part where I wanted to let's try extruding this right here. Just a tiny bit. And put this right here. Five should be good. Yep. Combine this with this. Oh, this was a new. This combined it. Okay. I see. Hit OK. I have this weird line right here. That doesn't work either. I could just leave it. Oh, let's try it. Let's try and extrude this side. Yeah, I'll leave it. We'll leave this line right there. Fillet. The next thing we're gonna be doing is filleting, and I want to see if I can fillet this side. Yeah, perfect. This is just good. I like this. This is perfect. Give it 20. Fillet it again. This side is this time the interior. Just gonna give it a 20. Should be perfect. Press pull. Select the faces. I want to press pull. And just push this in. Hit OK. That should be great. I like this now. Yeah. Fillet the sides a little bit. Just gonna hit OK. And there you go. There you have it. This is our complete set. I'm gonna go into sketch. Actually, let me just finish this side off, rounded this edge off. Undo. Just gonna round this off and end it. Round it off right here. I think this should be it. Yeah, let's keep this side. Let's keep it like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna end it off for today right here. And I'm just gonna head up to render. gonna render some stuff, and I'll be back. As you can see, I just rendered out the steering wheel. Everything looks good. I hope you learned something. I hope you always learn something. I hope you can also do these things as you watch me do it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment if you have any suggestions, anything you want to ask, and don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button. See you next time. Goodbye.